Well, now we all know how good beans are for us. So today I want to share with you this delicious Roman-style bean salad with a few ingredients and a very easy method. You're gonna love it. The first thing to do is to slice the red onion nice and fine. Add a small pinch of salt and the red wine vinegar. Use your hands to break them all up and as well to make sure they're all coated in that red wine vinegar. Set aside the red onion, and meanwhile we're gonna make a beautiful paste with anchovies, garlic and thyme. Chop them all together until nice and fine, then turn into a paste and mix it with extra virgin olive oil. Now the hero ingredients, the beans. Today I'm using borlotti and cannellini. Add them to the pickled onion, then add the dressing and mix it all together. I mean, look at that. The anchovies dressing is coating that pickled red onion, those creamy beans, and I know it's gonna taste fantastic. I love how rustic and rich is this dish, and it's perfect as a main course or as a side dish. If you enjoy this recipe, you should join me on my Taste of Rome online cooking class, where we make this recipe along many others all together. Enjoy everyone. Delicioso.